I'm Luigi from 𝗥𝗢𝗟𝗏, and I'm gonna teach you how to roll a dress for packing to save you space and reduce wrinkles. Let's roll. Step 1, lay out a dress. Step 2 is fold the dress in half. Step 3 is taking about 3 or 4 inches and folding it underneath itself. Step 4 is taking a side and folding it in about 1/3 the width of the dress. And then taking the sleeve and overlapping itself, forming a straight line. For step 5, we're going to take the other side and fold it in 2/3 so that it overlaps our previous side, and taking the sleeve and folding it over top itself as well, forming a straight line on the other side. Now to make rolling easier, we're going to rotate it 180 degrees. And for step 6, we're going to start rolling from the bottom up, nice and tightly, all the way to the top. Now for step 7 is we're going to take our hand and put it in the cuff that we made in step 3, pull it with the other hand, and wrap it around the dress. Get it nice and tight, creating a beautiful dress burrito. Woo! You did it! You deserve to look your best when traveling, and now your clothes won't have those hideous creases on them and will look great right out of your bag. At 𝗥𝗢𝗟𝗏, we know packing and pulling suitcases is frustrating. We tell you what and how to pack so you can travel easily with just one bag. Go to 𝗥𝗢𝗟𝗏.com right now to learn how to pack less, carry less, and experience more on your trips. Thanks, and happy trails.